Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the updated process of creating a group on Roblox using your Android device. Whether you want to gather friends or build a community, starting your own group opens up a world of possibilities. First, open the Roblox app on your Android device. Once you're in, look for the three dots at the bottom right corner and tap on them to access the menu. Next, select Groups from the menu options. Now, it's time to create your group. Tap on Create Group. Here comes the fun part. Enter a catchy name for your group, a brief description, and don't forget to choose an emblem that represents your community. Once you've filled out all the details, you'll need to set your group settings. Decide who can join and who can post. This step is crucial to define how your group operates and interacts with members. Finally, to complete the creation process, you'll need to pay a small fee of 100 Robux. Once that's done, your group will be live for all your friends and fellow Robloxians to join. That's it. You're now ready to start your own Roblox group. Remember to share your group with others and create amazing experiences together.